Make sure you hit the follow button. I'll do some damage reports later on when we can get out. But it's gonna be like this for a couple hours. This is the eye is directly east of us right now, passing by, and we're gonna get beat like this for a couple hours. The wind has changed direction, is now coming this way. So the back of the house there by the pond is blocking a lot of the wind. But you can see those palm trees back there. Now, a lot of these houses here, and these are newer construction houses, and you can see that everybody's shuttered up with the hurricane shutters. So a lot of people still here. There's nobody out, that's for sure. Nobody's been out since late last night. The roads were pretty clear. We lost power about 2:45 in the morning. Hey, Daytona's being erased. I hope not. Hope not. Need to. Yeah, hater. Sure hate you, hate it. By the way, go to my website, get my free goals cookbook. You'll learn how to make money too. Because that's what I teach. I teach people how to be successful. Make sure you hit the follow button. Invite your friends, and I'll do some stuff later when this passes by. I'll get on my rich motorcycle, my rich man's motorcycle, for my haters there. Look at that. And go out and do some stuff. Look at there. Hey, appreciate it. So yeah, this is Hurricane Matthew passing by right now. It's just east of us. Yeah, you gotta love the haters. Gotta love the haters. But it hasn't always been that way. I used to be a police officer. I used to be broke, making $13 an hour, and